Guys, we are live! It is the 12th week and 1 day. So this is the weigh-in day. The 12 weeks are over. All the hard work is done. All the counting calories, counting macros, preparing the meals, all done. Obviously, I keep preparing meals. That's what I do. But all of the macro counting and the cutting is done, and it's time to weigh in. So I haven't weighed in. The goal, when I started this whole thing, I wanted to get to 16% body fat. With that in mind, I thought that I would hit around 165 pounds starting at 176, but I passed that like within the 6-week mark. I already got to 65 pounds. So my new goal was to get 155 at 16% body fat, which is gonna be pretty epic.
What body fat did you start at?
I started at 20.8% body fat. 20.8, and my goal was to get down to 16% body fat in 12 weeks. I should have brought my little measuring tape to do my measurements. So when I started, I had a 38-inch waist circumference. Let's see what I have right now.
Memorize your...
I know everything, bro. I know everything. And now I'm gonna crack, let's just say 33.
Wow.
33. So that is a loss of 5 inches off my waist in 12 weeks. Yeah, buddy. That's 5 inches. 5 inches in 12 weeks. Tell me what pro game you can get for 5 inches in 12 weeks.
Yeah.
Tell me what can you do that. So now my legs, 22. So it's 1 inch off there, off the thighs. I do like the gains on my thighs. I do have big muscular thighs. Biceps, 13. So I don't think I lost anything off the bars, which is good. That's always good to keep the gains. My chest was 38. My chest was the same size as my hips when I started. 37. So 1 inch off there. Good or bad, can't tell right now. So I lost a bunch. You can obviously see physically, I'm a lot leaner than when I started. Let's weigh in. I want to say before I start, obviously if you do a weight cut, like the numbers for you mean nothing. These numbers are just for me. Like you don't have to lose weight, you don't have to have a goal. But I did have a goal. I wanted to challenge myself. Let's see what I got. Turn my GoPro on. The scale set to my weight, my height at 5'8", 28 pounds. 28 pounds. 28
years
age.
old.
Here we go. Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Let's get it! 154.4! Yeah! 15.8% body fat! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Look at that! Look at that numbers! Look at that! Yeah! 154.4, 15.8% body fat! Yeah! Look at that, guys! You can achieve whatever you want in your life! Don't let anyone tell you that you can't achieve what you want in your life! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Let's go get some cake!
The baby's like, what the heck is going on out there?
Oh man, that is the stuff, man. That is the stuff, man. All my life, I got picked on for being fat. All my life, been picked on being overweight. People telling me, oh, this weight cut, you're doing it wrong. You know, that's not the proper way to do it. You know, like, it's bad. All this kind of stuff. And it's like, no, man, you can achieve whatever you want. Like, doing it this way, counting your macros, counting your calories, very specific, restricting, not restricting what you eat, but calorie deficit is what you do. It's how you get to your goal, man. It's how you do it. I didn't expect it to be that number. I expected it to be just under, like just under. I didn't expect it to be that under, but that's pretty epic, man. I'm pretty happy with that. That's amazing. That's so cool. Thank you guys. All you guys that have supported me. Thank all you guys that have come along with me for the journey. Thank you to everyone that took my advice, like got LifeSum, downloaded LifeSum, started using the app. I know so many of you have been losing weight and just getting better and like putting yourself back on track and like getting yourself ready for next year. Like there's no point waiting for next year to start now. Start now. You got like another whole another 90 days until the end of the year.
And if anybody wants to know, track your journey, you can go to YouTube.
You can go to YouTube and check out my thing. This video will be like the last part of the series for the weight cut side. But from now, moving forward, you guys are going to get workouts. I did all this transformation with no working out, just eating, showing you guys that it is 100% what you eat that makes your body. And the next part of the journey will be to keep the body fat down, but work out, eat more calories. So from now, I'm gonna go back up to like 2,000 calories a day, and using the exercise that I do in a day to add on top of my calories and go back to basically like normal, what I would normally do, and then add working out. So every day here on Instagram, I'm gonna be doing my live workout every morning for the next, till the end of the year. We're gonna do live workouts every morning here on Instagram, so you guys can get motivated, you guys can see what I'm doing, how I'm working out, and so help more of you go get motivated to achieve your goals, man. So you can do it.
Before you sign off, can you tell people how many pounds and how many body fat you
Right, so gotta crunch the numbers. Here's where I started. I started at 176 pounds at 20.8% body fat, which means I had 36.6 pounds of fat mass. Now, if I punch in this calculation right now, 154.4 times 15.8 divided by 100 equals 24.39 pounds of fat mass. So that calculation would be taking 36.6 take away 24.39 equals 12.2 pounds of fat lost. I lost 12.2 pounds of fat in 12 weeks. That's 1 pound of fat each week. And then the total weight, 21.6 pounds. Total weight loss of 21.6 pounds and total fat loss of 12.2 pounds.
Woohoo!
That's pretty epic. When I started, I was 176 and I got to my goal to be under 16% body fat, and I weighed in today at 15.8% body fat, which actually is the lowest body fat percentage I have ever recorded in my life.
Whoa.
So right now, I'm the same weight I was when I was in the 7th grade. Like in the 7th grade, I would have been this high, but also like this wide, and I'm like literally smaller. I think I'm actually smaller in weight than I was in the 7th grade, maybe even the 6th grade, maybe even the 5th grade. I'm the same weight I like in middle school, basically. This is the same weight I was. That's how big I was as a kid. You know, I'm really proud of my achievements, and I'm thankful to everyone to be here and watching me and supporting me. And I just really hope that it inspires you to go and smash your goals, to go and do something positive in your life. Get fit, get healthy, eat more veggies, get shredded, whatever you want to do. So, that's it, guys. I'm going to sign off with a namaste. Namaste, and catch you guys soon. Workout videos tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I'm not ending.
Hit the end button.
I did. 3 times.
Easy as that, guys.